HSE workbook. We're busy with tangential arcs. That's going to be the first two. But then at the bottom, I'm going to show you 3 hacks to divide a circle into 8 equal parts, or 12, as well as how to determine the circumference of a circle using construction only. Alright, so just as a refresher course quickly, they've asked us to construct a tangential arc with a radius of 70 millimeters to include circle A and exclude circle B. And we've done this in the previous lesson, of course. When we include a circle, we are subtracting one radius, alright, from that 70. So if we look at A first of all, we've got the radius 70 minus radius 20. That gives us radius 50. For the exclusive, which is the remainder of plusing or adding, sorry, we've got radius 70 plus the radius 15. So that rule, if you hear exclusive, uitgesluit, positief, a plus. If you hear inclusive, negative, alright, minus, subtraction, alright. But it's always going to be pertaining to these radius plus the one that's given. So help me out quickly. The first one, radius 50. Take your ruler. With confidence, set it on 50. At A, first arc, construction. Next one, radius 70 plus 15 equals 85. Is julle by? Okay, 85. Vanaf die middelpunt, 'n boog. Right here at the end, that's your center now for a radius 70 arc to be inclusive and exclusive. So go back here, set that to 70, and let's hope a little bit of accuracy that got lost there, but that one is inclusive, that one is exclusive. Please, if you find a mistake like that, rub it out. Just do a slight adjustment here to rectify that. You're just going to rectify that. Okay, I'm going to go on to the next one. Now they're asking for a boog waar die cirkel A uitsluit en B insluit. So dis nou net omgekeer. A is excluding. Alright, so it's this radius here, which is radius 20 plus radius 70 equals radius 90. This one is now including, which is the smaller radius, which is 30. So radius 30, sorry, minus the 90, radius 90, radius 70.
It's 15.
15. And let me write it the correct way down. Radius 70 minus that radius 15. And that is
55.
Radius 55. Okay, so let's do that quickly before so that we can finish this others. So the first one, radius 90, like a groot cirkel. Nou wonder ek. Okay, groot cirkel, daar is my boog. Volgende is op 55, 55. And now I set my compass on 70. Right, I'm going to do one more hack here that's going to help you. If you put it at that point, double check. Alright, it's going through that. And so if you have to make a slight adjustment, you can, to make sure it's really just touching and it's very accurate. Happy with that? Okay. This last 3 is going to be interesting and quick for you. The first question reads, divide my circle into 8 equal parts. Remember what we did just now, a few lessons ago? Did you do an octagon? Yes, 45 grade driehoek, 45-degree triangle. You're just going to go chip and chip. And you could possibly go over these because they're just center lines. Chip and chip. If I count that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, into 12 equal parts. Which triangle am I going to use for the 12? Your 30, 60 degree triangle, okay? So first one is at 60 degrees, tip, you flip that, tip, while it's there, throw that one in. Then you flip it to 30, tip, and tip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not even stressing about it. Last one. Almal by and almal bly.
And you must use the 60 and the almost read.
Yeah, so for this one you use the 60, flipped it, plus the 30, and flipped it. And the octagon, 8 parts was the 45. Is julle by? Alright. The last one is to determine the circumference of this circle with construction. Hey. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at P, and I want to take a piece of rope and unwind it almost. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the construction line at the base. Construksielyn op die basis. Almal by en almal bly. Then you're going to go 30 degrees or 60 degrees van die middelpunt na die punt daar. Okay? So just from this point at 60 degrees, just second line you're going to draw. Okay, so one is to just a construction line out of P. The second one is just 60 degrees to that point. Happy?
Yes.
Okay, then you're going to draw a line parallel to the center line. So you're bringing that height across to that point. What happened now? Sorry about that. We're going to just switch you back. Okay, I hope that's still recording. Okay, not sure what happened. I'll zoom back in. Okay, so I think you're with me. We did the first line, construction line, then at 60 degrees to the end, and the line back to that. So we've done all of that to determine this point. That's the important one that we determine now. Okay? Dan vat jy jou passer op die deursnee. Okay, take the diameter. Okay, set it on the diameter. And with confidence, you're starting at P. You go 1, 2, 3. And now the second important point is this one. So you did 2 important points. Okay? And now if I join this, I'll do this line nice and yellow. This was the line that I wanted to determine. If I now measure that, I'm getting 138. Now if you take your radius here, this is a diameter 40, that's 44, looks like it, okay? So let's do who's got a calculator? Pi times 44 equals Peter Sompompie. Who's doing my calculation for me? Pi times 44 should be 138. 138 point something, okay? But I mean, we don't worry about that. So you can see if you constructed this accurately, you can actually determine the diameter by a mere simple, not the diameter, sorry, wrong symbol. The circumference, nee? Die omtrek kan jy bepaal deur konstruksie. Alright, that's under 10 minutes, page 49 in the HSE workbook, and you've learned a new construction method. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn.